Chapter 19, Constituents of Food. Food is made up of different parts called constituents that help our body stay healthy and strong. These include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, each with its own important role. Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn about what makes up the food we eat every day. Food is important for our body's strength, growth, and health. Let's understand the different parts or constituents of food. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. Foods like rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, potatoes, sugarcane, bananas, and milk contain carbohydrates. They give us the fuel to work, play, and stay active. Carbohydrates come in three forms: starch, sugar, and fiber. Fiber or roughage helps clean our stomach and keeps digestion smooth. Fats. Fats provide more energy than carbohydrates. They also keep our body warm and protect our organs. Fats are stored under the skin. Foods like ghee, oil, butter, cream, nuts, eggs, and meat contain fats. But remember, too much fat is not healthy. Proteins. Proteins help our body grow and repair itself. They are especially important for children because children's bodies are still growing. Foods like pulses, dals, milk, curd, paneer, groundnuts, egg, fish, and meat are good sources of proteins. That is why proteins are also called bodybuilding foods. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals keep us healthy and help our body fight diseases. Even though we need them in small amounts, they are very important. Vitamins include vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. Minerals include iron, calcium, sodium, and potassium. We get them from fruits, leafy vegetables, sprouted pulses, and the skin of fruits and grains. Balanced diet. Our body needs all these food parts: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals in the right amount. Eating only one type of food is not good. A balanced diet means eating a mix of all of these. If we eat too many sweets, we may get fat but not healthy. If we miss any of these food parts for a long time, we may get malnutrition. Nourishment and malnutrition. When our body gets all the food parts it needs, it is well nourished. But if something is missing, like not eating enough iron or calcium, it leads to malnutrition. Lack of iron causes anemia, where we feel weak and tired. Lack of calcium makes our bones weak. That's why eating a variety of foods is important. Do you know one food item can give us more than one thing? For example, chickpea gives us proteins and fats from nuts and sugar and iron from jaggery. A banana gives us sugar, minerals, and fiber. A boiled egg gives us proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Freshly prepared food is better than packaged or ready made food. Fresh food keeps us healthier. What we have learned: carbohydrates give us energy, fats give us extra energy and warmth, proteins help us grow and repair our body, vitamins and minerals keep us safe from diseases, fiber helps in digestion. A balanced diet keeps us healthy, while a missing food part causes malnutrition.